in the pre-shipment finance or the post-shipment, when we take in foreign currency, earlier that was no lucrative. But now again, because of the increase in the repo rates, how lucrative it is or not? Like, because there is a forex part involved as well. So because of the rupee terms, no, the conversion rate, the repo rate, which has been increased internationally.
Yeah,
So
so the
what
when if you're
choice is better?
so
Yeah.
if you're importing, you have some import contents into the export product, then you must be importing the raw material, or you're assembling the parts of it or the raw material. Then
Right.
you need the import. Then to make the lesser loss on between the exchange rates on the export and import currency, so you can get the PCFC.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that will be your change. You're saving almost like a 1 rupee or 1% or 1.5% between the two exchange rates.
Okay, right. So then it would be a kind of a natural hedging
And
you are talking
and
about.
second the benefit of the PCFC, this foreign currency loan, is on the rate, because the interest rate on PCFC is much cheaper than the Indian rupees interest rate.
Exactly.
So that is also benefit to you, and you
Right.
don't lose anything on the exchange rates.
Right. Yeah. So then depending on the nature of the business,
Nature of the product,
import
what you
driven
are
or nature
shipping.
of the product. Yeah. So this is a very interesting point because this could be missed out by many, that there's a natural hedging taking place when there is import to export. So I think the tools, the options which you have given are very wide. But again, the choice depending on the nature of the business, the nature of the product, the geography which you are catering to would really make sense. Correct?
Yeah, because right now we are talking on the general products and general services.
Right.
We are not talking on any specific product or categories.
Correct. Right. And now, if I link it to a $2 trillion export target, what role this can play? Like the right now, because I have seen a lot of exporters, just say there's interest equalization scheme, right? Where for the uh, term loan, or sorry, the loan which is
For the
given for
post-shipment
the
and pre-shipment, yes.
post shipment benefit. So that also is being missed out by many, right? So if I want to link it to the $2 trillion export target, how then this tools or the knowledge, or when Khalid sir said that we want to the MSME should be strengthened, how this can go down to the micro level and help them?
If you have some facilities with your banking and your sanction limits are with your banks, then you can go to your bank and you can negotiate your documents for the post shipment documents, and you can get the minimum 2 to 3%, depends on your facility, your MSME or non MSME. Your product category is there in the listed of the products.
Right.
So there are some of the products are already listed according to the DGFT and the Finance Ministry.
Okay, interesting.
And
So I think
MSME
this would
MSME gets 3% benefit and non-MSME gets 2%.